God, not them again. I just don't see why I have to pull trucks. Why should give us more respect? Well, what do you see here, Craven? I see Alfred. How are you enjoying retirement, Old Iron? Indeed, he should just be in that tunnel with that Henry, waiting to get screwed. Hey! What is going on here? Oh please, listen, you have nothing to do with this conversation. Don't you have a goods to take? Eh? But near for another 5 minutes. Anyway, I just think you're hearing your big fat mouth talk. Oh, I do say! Come on, Alfred, let's go somewhere else. This is giving a massive ache in my smoke box. Alright then, let's go. Didn't you fash yourself, Edward? You'll get your chance eventually. I hope so. Don't worry, Edward. You'll get your chance. Driver won't be choosing you again. He wants big, strong engines like us. Oh, hello there. Oh, why are you sad? Would you like to come out today? What? Oh, yes, please, sir.